Now, later on, when you load data, you can follow the same step that we just did and do it, right? But there's even one more magic that is even awesome that people even like the most, right? So instead of you going through the same steps again, let's say that I want to now format, say, the calendar or the customer data, okay, or the product data or sales data. Now, I don't need to now go and then follow the same steps and do it again. You see that we have a button here which we call refresh, okay? If I click on now, you see the message, get the latest data by refreshing all visuals in this report. If I click on this refresh, right, it's just going to apply whatever step that I just did, right, to all the other data points. Now you can see calendar, customer, product, territory, sales. It's applying the same steps to all of them and then cleaning it up for us. Magic, right? We don't have to do these things by hand. All of them automatically will be done for us, right? All of them will automatically be done for us. Just like that. Okay, just like that. If you don't want, you can just undo it, right? You can just reverse the action, right? Now we have seen how to clean the data, right? Now we're going to see another interesting thing, which is relationships in Power BI.